Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna explain how you can get the cat token and also how you can get a new shield skin from the Egyptian Treasures event in Monopoly Go. So before we begin, make sure you leave a like and sub, and I'm going to come at you with the info. So as you can see at the top, we have 16 different levels for this Egyptian Treasures event in Monopoly Go. At stage 10, you get the Scorpion shield skin. So at stage 10, once you get to stage 10, you will get the Scorpion shield skin. And if you want the cat token that you've seen in the thumbnail, then what you have to do is get to stage 15. So for stage 15, you will actually get the Egyptian cat token. So keep grinding this out, and hopefully with time you will be able to get the Egyptian cat token in these 3 days. So hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub. I'll see you next time.